Hello guys, this is Hansa. So today I'm going to share on how to keep track or to calculate your monthly electric consumption. Nalaman ko lang to actually when I started renting a room. I don't know if there are any other ways to calculate electric consumption. Pero yung submeter talaga is pinaka-importante talaga yun pagdating sa calculation ng electric bill mo. This is what it looks like. Actually, this is my actual submeter dito sa room na nirerentahan namin. Do not be confused about those numbers. Pinicturean namin yan para dyan kami mag-base sa next namin na kilowatt. So, yung kilowatts dyan guys, yung 2,265.9 yan siya guys, yung red. Yan yung numbers sa submeter namin nung nag-start kami dito. And currently, yung number na niya guys, after 3 weeks namin pag-i-stay dito is nandun na siya sa 2312.5. Yung red guys is point yan siya. Tingnan mo yung submeter mo. You need to take note actually kung when ka last time nagbayad, kung ano yung current number na nasa submeter mo. Picturean mo yan or maglista ka kung anong number na nandun para sa next payment na naman may track ka kung ilan na yung nadagdag na kilowatt. Ganito siya pag-calculate guys. So, currently it is 2312. 2312 minus 2265, which is equals to 47. So, now 47 is i-times mo yan siya sa rate ng per kilowatt. Currently, in the Philippines, guys, based sa recent search ko, yung current rate ng kilowatts per kilowatts natin is around 13 to 15 pesos. Dito sa amin is 13 pesos. So, 47 kilowatts times 13 pesos is equals to 611. So, currently, yung electricity bill namin is 600 pesos. So, yan yung track namin for 3 weeks na pag-i-stay namin dito. Kami, nag-iintay na kami for mag 4 weeks, which is equivalent to 1 month para magbayad na kami ng electricity bill sa may-ari ng room na to. After 4 weeks, kung nabayadan na mo, na-calculate mo na just like what we did earlier, then picturean mo na naman yung reading nung last nagbayad ka para yun na naman yung A- mo sa next na reading na naman ng submeter mo. The more na marami kang appliances, the more na mas mabilis yung consumption niya. Example, aircon. Grabe yung consumption ng kilowatts sa electric. Aircon, refrigerator. Good thing about submeter is nata-track mo kung ano yung current kilowatts na na-consume nyo. Para in case na may budget ka, if example, like, dapat for 1 month, mga 60 kilowatts lang dapat yung na-consume namin, edi, through that, you know how to listen the electricity usage chart. I hope na-gets mo kasi nung una, hindi ko siya talaga na-gets or baka yung ako lang yung naku-confuse dito. And that's it. I hope na napaliwanag ko siya. If you have any questions, just comment down below and I will help you of course. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And of course, see you on my next video. Bye!